Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So first of all, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also, guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates for you guys, you will not miss out on any single update we'll be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, guys, once again, click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, and also follow the Telegram. Now, let's see what market is going to be doing for us for our Euro GBP. So, let's see what Euro GBP is going to be doing for us for the you all know, first thing first, before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. So basically, these are the first and the two major rules of trading. The first rule is know your trend. The second rule is trade with the trend. Now, on this our Euro GBP, we are in an uptrend. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. So this is the impulsive move that market give us, right? Then cause a pullback phase. Market then give us another impulsive move. This is the pullback phase. Market then give us another impulsive move which took out this previous high. Now here comes the pullback phase, right? Market then give us another impulsive move that took out this previous high. Now markets eventually drop to come to retest this level, which is a pullback phase that's have support level, right? So market has now come to have the support level, thereby giving us an equal low, right, and its support level. Now markets eventually bounced up, right? Then markets eventually dropped to have the support level. So with this movement right here on our weekly time frame prediction, we should be expecting market to actually push up, right? That is what we'll be expecting on EURGBP. We should be expecting a rejection from this level and make market to actually bounce up and push up. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing Euro GBP, you want to be going in for bullish move is what you are going to be expecting from Euro GBP. Now, this week will be a bullish move for us. So going for the buy and hold your buy position, you're most likely going to be profitable with that moment. Now let's go to the daily time frame, guys. So we had a multiple rejection at this level. Then here comes the multiple rejection. The market eventually dropped. You can see that this is a multiple rejection, which means market to push up, right? Now market has now dropped back to this level, right? And guess what market has done right here? Market gave us a double bottom right here. You can see that market has given us a double bottom and it eventually push up to break this neckline. You can see it right here. Guys, you can see it. Market first drop, right? Then it push up. Market then drop again to retest this level. Then it push up to break this neckline. You can see that it broke this neckline, push up to break this neckline, right? So when you go to your 4-hour time frame, you should expect market to give you a pullback to retest this neckline. Expect market to give you a pullback and retest it. Once it goes back to retest it, anticipate for one more bullish move that will play out again to take out this previous high, thereby forming a high. So above all, the bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our Euro GBP. To be anticipating for the movement to the upside. Now the thing is that could there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely, yes. There's a possibility that there's going to be changes to this prediction that we just did. But if in case there's going to be any prediction or any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share, make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow the Telegram channel, and if there's one or two things that I want you guys to know, I'll make sure I let you guys to know, right? So above all, Euro GBP should be giving us a bullish move. For let's see what market does next.